Hello everyone, Simon here from creativetrainingsystem.com. Making this video about Euro USD basically, right? So I just wanted to show how Fib works and how accurate the moves are. So let's start it here. This is the chart. This is US dollar index chart I made yesterday, and I even made a video about the US dollar index altogether, right? And saying that this thing, if it stays below 1390, the index is gonna drop here. And then if it's gonna drop, then this will happen. Means Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and USD will go up. So Euro USD is supposed to go up. All right. So let's go take a look at the Euro USD charts, right? So this is the weekly Euro USD chart I showed yesterday that this is what's happening, bouncing from the TL, supposed to go to the upside. And I've been tracking this for several weeks now, right? From here, actually, it's just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's supposed to coming down and then bounce from the TL. So that's what's exactly happening right now. So if it's supposed to bounce, then look at the daily chart, and then I had another pattern that I made on this 10th of February, right? So this is like a harmonic pattern. XAB is equal to 78%. C is around 38%. Then it's supposed to go to point D around this 227%, which will be 1501. So that's another version. That's on a smaller time frame on a 40-minute chart. This is what's happening. Then if I pull the fib from here to here, then I notice that this drop here is 61% and bouncing, right? And this area is very big. 0761 is right there around the TL. So that's exactly what is happening, that it is bouncing from 61% and already gone above 0761. Now, this little thing here, what really happened, if we look at the 20-minute chart, Euro USD 20-minute chart, then we will see this move here. So this move is bouncing from this 0761. So this wave one and wave two after this drop. Now the impulse wave will start to the upside. And first impulse wave will have 5 subwaves, right? Out of which I think that this is 1, 2, followed by wave three. Now wave three supposedly be how much is gonna be 1.618, right? So let's see if we draw this and then see where this 1.618 is coming. So it is coming around 0877. 0877. So my question is that do we have a number that owes 877 right there? 0879. This is the low. So are we going there? Maybe, right? That's how it is. So this is the target. This 1.618 is coming this area into this area, 0877. Now, the interesting thing is that you see this wave one and two, and then we have to have wave three. Now, wave three will also have 5 subwaves. Look at this little move and then this little wobble here. On a 7-minute chart, keep in mind this wave one and two. You will see the same phenomena is happening there as well. This big wave one and two on a 7-minute chart is this 1, 2, and then look, then again 1, 2, and wave three. So this is supposedly be wave three of this wave three. This is wave one, wave two, then wave three will come to, and it will go to 0879, and it will be like wave one and two already done, right? Wave one, A, B, C correction. Wave two, 0761 is right there. It's going to start to go to the upside. Wave three, then wave four, then wave five to 0879. Got it? So this is how beautiful it is that you can see. Then everything is systematic, man. After making the bottom, then you have a wave one, two, and wave three. Again, wave three will have 5 subwaves, out of which you have already done wave one and ABC correction. Wave two and wave three already started it, if I'm right. But so far, things looks accurate and in line with the US dollar index. So let's see what happens. If we can stay above this 0761 and continue to the upside, then I'm right, right? And I already have a long here, right here. I opened the long already, and my asset is right there. I'm sitting and waiting. I made an entry from 7-minute chart. If my trade survive, and it goes a distance, then I will show you my trade tomorrow. Okay, so this is how it is. So all this mumbo jumbo about different patterns, Elliott waves. See how daily I'm watching this harmonic pattern, and then weekly chart is the fib, and then wave one, and then two, and then wave one, two, three, four, five would be into the upside. I didn't place the counts here, but the Elliott wave perspective, and then 40-minute chart is a Fibonacci 61% bounce, and then the 20-minute chart, blah blah blah. Right. So yeah, this is how I do my analysis, and 90% of the time, my analysis is right on the dot. You see the charts, my videos all over YouTube. You will find, and then you can see how the analysis are. Right. So this is it for now. Keep an eye on this EUR-USD. Obviously, if USD is gonna get weaker, then all others of four pairs have chance to go up, and then three pairs, USD CAD, USD Yen, and USD Franc have a chance to go down. Why should I say chance? Because maybe some other currency is doing or getting more weaker than USD, then the pair will go the opposite direction, right? So it also depends on the other currency, what they are doing. But consider the other currency is neutral, and if USD gets weaker, then what will happen? Where the heck the chart go? If the USD gets weaker, then this will happen. These four pairs will go up, and these three pairs will go down. All right, so this is it for now. Just wanted to share with you guys that this is what the EUR-USD. And by the way, pound USD also started to go up a little bit. So let's see how far that one is going to go. Okay, so bye for now, and talk to you guys later.